How's she going, boys? Mike here. Welcome back to Grampie's workshop on a beautiful day here at the lake. Boys, some nice. The weather has turned, but you never know. Tomorrow it could be windy, cold, rainy, wet. Who knows, right? You got to take it day by day. Anyways, we're back out here behind the shop working on the attachment storage possible new building location. I don't know what's going to go there just yet, but anyway, we got a little bit more work to do there, and some figuring and some ciphering and deciding to do, so let's get at her. We're back out here at the tractor storage, implement storage area in the tractor storage shed, and I decided I'm going to take that tractor storage shed down, the tent. I took the tarp off the top, and when I did that, look what happened to the sides. They just fell apart. She was pretty rotten. So we're going to continue and take that apart, but it's a lot of similar activity to when I was taking the attachment shelter apart. So we'll just take it apart and I'll show you the results. So I worked hard most of the afternoon and I took down the shelter. So what I'm going to do now is get the Massey Ferguson GC 2300 Awesome tractor, and I'm going to lift these 6x6s. I also have, you see, I don't know if you can make them out there, but I have some rebar pounded down through those to sort of anchor them. So I'm going to try and lift those up, and hopefully they won't break like the ones did on this shelter. Well, that worked good. This came apart without breaking it, so that's one. I've got 5 of them here altogether. Anyways, I'm going to try and pull that out. Now I got a problem. I can't pull those timbers up. We'll work on it. I'm having a hard time getting these rebar pulled out. The last one we pulled out was 4 feet long. So we're trying to get this one now. Start pulling out, eh? Whew. Okay. Next, I'm going to try and get the screen along this back sill. I'm going to try and pull those now. That worked. I wonder the shelter never blew away. No, I showed it who's boss, didn't I? Look at that. I got that guy out and this guy out. Made a mess, but I got them out. I got one more piece I need to pull out, but I'm going to clean up these 3 pieces first, get rid of them, then we'll go at that last one. I ended up taking all the sleepers, the sill timbers I had around the tractor shelter. Took those up. Had a hard time getting the stakes out, but anyway, we got them. And then for the last little while I've been grading this off. So I'm just going to do a little bit more grading here. I got some more gravel to put down on this pad, but I want to grade it off as best I can first. So we're just going to do a little grading here, and it's just starting to rain right now, so I don't know how long we'll keep this up, but we'll go for a little while anyways. So we had a busy day. I did a bunch more grading after the rain stopped. I came out the next morning and I kind of graded this off a little bit better here. And I'm still not exactly sure what I'd like to put here or what I'll be able to put here. There's lots of extenuating circumstances that are causing me grief with this decision. The jury's still out on whether I should build or whether I should just get more temporary shelters. And I know temporary shelters, their lifespan is minimal compared to a building. But yeah, like I say, lots of extenuating circumstances, you know, that are weighing in on this decision. But where I'm at right now, the reason I'm stopping this job today is I got this stump back here in the corner. And no matter what I put here, this stump is probably going to cause me grief. It's going to be in the way. I got to get that stump out next, but we're going to just color off here, and I'll be back next time working on that stump. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to thumbs up me, eh? Give me some ideas too on what you think I should put here. That would be nice. You know, either plus or minus for a building, plus or minus for shelters. I'd like to hear your opinions. So have a great week wherever you are. Stay warm, stay cool, stay dry, whatever the weather is in your area. And we'll talk to you soon.